Today, the hearing has concluded in the matter of Riya Chakrabarti when she is asking for transfer of matter from Patna to Mumbai. But the Honorable Judge asked a very pertinent question to the counsel for Riya Chakrabarti, that you have yourself asked for CBI and you have said so in the petition, and you have also said in your additional affidavit, to which the counsel had to confirm that yes, we have asked for a CBI inquiry. So really speaking, according to me, when the petitioner herself is asking for a CBI inquiry, I feel that this is what should happen in this matter. Matter is already referred to the CBI. Extensive arguments were addressed by Dr. Singhvi appearing for the state of Maharashtra, and Mr. Diwan for the petitioner, the Solicitor General for the CBI, and by me for the complainant. As far as the complainant's case is concerned, the politicization of this issue was strongly and vehemently opposed. It was said that the complainant is only seeking justice for the avenging the death of his son. He has lost a very promising young son. He had only one son who would have lit his funeral pyre, and he doesn't have his son anymore. So the consequences of losing a son definitely is in Patna. The consequences of criminal breach of trust is in Patna. So I'm sure, although the matter is quite clear that the matter will go to the CBI, the only issue is that large, very extensive arguments have been, sort of addressed by all parties. So probably this judgment may become a rule-making judgment on the issue of registration of FIR in this country. Although it is more academic in this case now, with the CBI taking over, but nevertheless, because these questions will arise in future, so this will be a very, very path-breaking judgment as far as future registration of such cases is concerned by a particular state police where part of the cause of action has arisen or where the consequences of a crime ensue. So in this case, the consequences of the crime are in Patna, where the complainant resides. And accordingly, as far as the politicization, they repeatedly mentioned that Bihar police has registered the FIR at the instance of the Chief Minister. What they failed to appreciate was that it was a complete misreporting. What was stated was that the police was reluctant because of being a high-profile case, whether they should register or not. Only to that extent the Chief Minister said that if this case makes out a criminal case in Bihar, then it should be registered and taken to its end. There was no pressure by the CM Bihar to register this case. And accordingly, when this argument was made from the other side, I told the court that although there is a lot of press reports saying that the Chief Minister of Maharashtra's son is involved, but we have been very responsible. We have not said that in our petition because we don't want to jump to something like this without a fair investigation. So this was very unfair on the part of the counsel for the Riya Chakrabarti to make this kind of a submission about involvement of the Chief Minister. If the Chief Minister's involvement was there, and now that the matter is going to the CBI, there is no election there is no pan-India election today. So I don't understand in any case how is the election issue important in this case. So this was all just an excuse to somehow get some sympathy from the court. But I don't think that the court will go by the declaration of the law and will decide in terms of the provisions of the CRPC. And we are quite hopeful that this investigation will be taken to its logical end. Thank you.